Hi there, my name is Victor and I am a master technician. Please be aware that I do not represent any company. I'm not endorsed by or affiliated with any automotive manufacturer or car dealership. All opinions expressed in this video are my own, and all trademarks, logos, and brand names are the property of their respective owners. Today I'm going to show you how to replace transfer case fluid on 2016 and up Lexus RX350 models. To do this job, you will need 2 gaskets for the drain and fill plugs, 1 liter of Toyota differential gear oil type LT, and some tools including a ratchet with extensions, 24mm socket, gear oil pump, and an optional torque wrench if you would like to properly torque the drain and fill plugs to spec. Lift the vehicle up and have it sitting parallel to the ground, because if you, let's say, are just using jack stands and you jack up just the rear, just the front of the vehicle, the angle at which it's sitting at is not going to be parallel to the ground, so potentially your fluid level in the assembly that you're replacing the fluid in will not be level, and you will not set it to the correct level. So if you're using jack stands, lift up all 4 corners of the car, and don't do this service on a severely slanted driveway either for the same reason. Alright, so the RX transfer case drain plug is located right here, and the fill plug is right there up top. So we're gonna access it from behind. We're just gonna need a nice long extension to get inside there to loosen it off. Always take the fill plug out first, because if you drain the assembly and then let's say the fill plug is stripped or damaged and you can't get it off, how are you going to fill it back up with fluid? You're going to be stuck. So you'll need about a 14 to 16 inch extension with your 24mm socket to be able to get in there to loosen that fill plug. Alright, let's get in there and loosen this fill plug. And there it is. Alright, the drain plug is next, also 24mm. There we go. This fluid doesn't look too terrible actually. The drain plug has a magnet on it, so take a piece of clean paper towel and just wipe the magnet off. And these kind of black metallic powder is totally normal, but if you see chunks like grains of sand size or little gravel size, that would indicate a problem. Fortunately, the RX transfer case and differential are pretty much indestructible, and as long as you change the fluid fairly regularly, you're gonna be all right. Alright, so once the fluid flow slows down to a trickle or a drip, put a new gasket on the drain plug and tighten it to 36 foot-pounds, or if you don't have a torque wrench, just tighten it nice and snug. So to fill differentials and transfer cases with Toyota LT fluid, I just use a contraption like this. It's just a drill-driven pump that I mounted on top of this 6-liter container, and you fill it with gear oil and start spinning the drill, and off you go. Crack the can open. Fill the contraption up, and we're ready to start pumping into the differential and transfer case assembly. Okay, so we got the fill hose in fill port, and just gonna use our drill powered contraption until the fluid starts coming out of the fill hole there. Shouldn't take too long. And there you go. She's full. Alright, so we're gonna get our fill plug in there with a new gasket on it. It's a little
tricky to get it started because there's not a whole lot of space. Okay, and tighten to 36 foot-pounds or until snug. Clean off any oil residue with brake clean or just wipe it off with a rag. And we're done. Transfer case fluid replacement completed.
Thanks for watching. Please check for product links below the video for any tools or supplies needed to complete the procedure shown in this tutorial. If you would like me to make a specific video, please leave a suggestion in comments. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Cheers!